This Kia Optima came in with a clicking sound under the right side, so I found that the stabilizer link was damaged. So this is how you change the stabilizer link. Alright, so jog the car up, put your jack stand, remove your wheel, alright, so that's the stabilizer link. So you can spray it first to free up the bolts. Then in this case it was an 18mm socket that I used to remove it. If it's spinning when you're trying to pull it with the impact gun, then you can use a small vice grip or a 17mm open end tunnel to hold it. So there we go. That's loose now. So let's loosen the bottom one. Move that. So you can see that's very loose. It should be tight, and that's what was causing a clicking sound. Alright, so in order to install the new stabilizer link, you have to jack the spindle up a bit for both the ends to be able to go in the hole. So look at that. So jack that up. Ensure that it can fit in the hole. And then it's an 18mm nut. So I tried to tighten it. It was spinning just the same. So I had to use my 70mm open end wrench to get a grip on the stabilizer link, and then use the 18mm to tighten it now. So in this case now I use an Allen key to hold the stabilizer link while I tighten it, and then I torqued it down to 40 foot-pounds. Torque down, click, click again, and then that's it. So go ahead and reinstall the tire, torque it down, and then you're all set.